Hello friends, today I would like to discuss a very inspirational and motivational story of VVS Laxman, one of the greatest cricketers of Indian cricket. And before coming to the motivational part, I would like to share a brief about his career. He started his international career from 1996, and from 1996 to 2001, until that historical inning of 281 against the formidable opposition, that Australian team of 2001, that inning at Eden Garden, and India won that match because of that inning. And India was totally down on the mat, and somehow his inning not only won the match for India, but it changed a lot of equations of Test cricket from there. So 96 2001, that was a period when that period was full of ups and downs for him. He got selected to Indian team multiple times, and he was dropped equally. After 2001, things improved, and he was doing good in the Test matches, and he was equally doing better in the one day matches as well. He was having a very good record during that period in one day matches. He was having a pretty decent performance in one day matches. So naturally he was expecting his call for the 2003 World Cup, but he was dropped. He was not selected in the 2003 World Cup Indian team, and that gave a hit to him. He was very disappointed and deserted, and naturally so. Every cricketer is having a dream to play for the country in the World Cup, to represent the nation in the World Cup, and he was having all the reasons to play in the one day matches and in the 2003 World Cup. And because of that omission from the Indian team, he was very disappointed, and he felt bad, and these emotions started reflecting in his performances. And after a time he took a break. He took a break from the cricket, and he stopped playing cricket. He went to USA, United States, and he spent his time with his school time friends, his buddies from college. They all were software professionals. They were not up to this game of cricket. They were not following games. So VVS Laxman was not playing cricket, and the company in which he was in, they were not following the game. So in totality, he was detached from the game. But after a few weeks, he started missing something in his life. He started missing something very, very important part of his life, and that was the game, that was cricket. Just a few weeks rather, a few weeks back, he was very down, and he was not enjoying the game. And after taking a break, and after not playing the game for a certain period of time, he started missing it. He became desperate to play again. He wanted to come back, he wanted to play again. And he came back, he started playing again, and since he was very, very enthusiastic this time, and the achievements, accolades became secondary and tertiary for him. Primarily, he just wanted to play cricket. He just wanted to play, and he just wanted to enjoy, because that game, he realized during the break that this game is actually his passion. This is the oxygen of his life, and he lives on that. So he just wanted to play, just wanted to enjoy it. After 2005 2006, his performance not only improved, but he became the ultimate performer in the fourth inning. The performance in the fourth inning is regarded as the tedious and the most difficult task in Test cricket, and he became very consistent in that. He was subjected to many difficult and complicated pressure situations, and he won the matches out of those for India. We all remember the historical victory at Waka, when he was having a partnership with RP Singh, and India won the match against Australia after many decades. And we also remember his partnership with Shant Sharma, and followed by Naman Oja at Mohali, and India won the match against Australia again. And these are the innings which are in itself the case studies. He was batting along with the lower order batsmen. He was under very difficult circumstances in the cricket parlance, but he not only performed, he won the matches for India. And the reason was that everybody, every other batsman, other player, they were feeling the pressure out of all those difficult situations. But he was not feeling that much pressure because he was enjoying the game, he was enjoying the moment. He just wanted to be on the field and just to play cricket. So the element of pressure was eliminated almost out of his equation, and he was just enjoying the game. Friends, here I just want to connect this point that during the break he realized that this game is the passion. This game is something which he wants to play, and just few days back he was not enjoying it, but during this break he realized. So these breaks in between your assignments are very, very important, and that is something which I would like to highlight today. Friends, if you are an civil services aspirant, engineering services aspirant, or you are working, you are a professional, it is important for all. See, if you are aspiring for exams and you are having a very huge syllabus, and you are continuing studying, you are completing one subject after another, there are long sitting hours, and this stretch, it converts from days to weeks to months, and you are just studying, and you are not taking a break. So what happens after a certain point of time, your mind and body, when it needs a break and you are not offering it, your efficiency goes down. You have to realize this. Your efficiency goes down. You don't enjoy studies. Your efficiency is less. So the output of your studies hours become very less. And that is the time when you have to realize that a break is required. Now, this theory of break, you have to customize for yourself. I mean, when to take a break, how much should be a break, how long it should be, and what kind of break you are availing. I mean, you should take a break that should recharge you, that should pump you. You should recharge your battery. It should not happen that during the break you are tiring yourself and you are coming back even more tired as you were earlier. So when to take a break, how to take a break, and what kind of a break you should have. You customize all these things for you. Take a very smart and optimized breaks after a regular interval, and this thing will keep you charged always towards your goal, towards your target, and your efficiency will remain optimized. Your efficiency will remain on the higher side. And it is important because if you are in these competitive exams, the entire period of completion, it's more than a year. So you have to remain motivated, you have to remain enthusiastic, you have to remain energetic for the entire period of this exam, that is more than a year. It's not that easy. You have to realize the importance of breaks. You have to avail breaks. Friends, think over it and realize this importance of break, and take few notes and learning out of the career of VVS Laxman, very, very special Laxman. And you can also inculcate those things, those learnings in your life, in your preparation. Friends, I would like to wish a very happy Holi to all of you, your family members. Stay blessed and best of luck for the year. May this year will bring a lot of success and accolades to you. And stay healthy, stay blessed. Thank you very much.